Yes. Please show your own drawing. Yeah, please go. Start your own drawings for this. Yes, beta. Show. Just a minute. I just take it. Very nice, very nice. I like it. I like it. It's really good. Yes. Hi. What's your sister's name, Alina? Hi, beta. How are you? Very good. So, okay. So sweet. Yeah, yeah, put it there. Yes. I share you now how to set the drawing. Okay, don't worry. I share you now. Wait 10 minutes. Priyanshi. Let's start the circle first, okay? Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, beta? All of you concentrate. Keep silence. Keep silence mode. Keep silence mode. Mute yourself and start the concentrate this line oval. Mute yourself, all of you, and concentrate to create the straight line nicely, curve line nicely, and create this standing straight line. This is a mandatory practice for every week. Okay, you can straight the standing curve line. Okay, so you can minimum 20 times you have to put the standing straight lines and slipping straight line, okay, and standing curve line and slipping curve line, standing curve line and slipping straight line, okay. Papa, come in. Let's try this 2 minutes. Yeah. Good. Good. Vivan. So the two hearts going good. Okay. Rishika, Atika. Yes, please go. Baba. Ipucho. Ipucho. So sweet, beta. It's so nice. Mama. Mama, I mean mama. Mama wants to Mama. Cari na mama ko na baba. Baba na mama. Mama. Okay, so I hope all of you are hi, Srejan. So Mr. is there, Drishka is there, wonderful. Yes. Hi, this is taking part in painting workshop. This she will join in evening. Is taking part in painting workshop today. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now painting for the what? Okay, done. All of you can go ahead the next steps. Vivan.
Yes, sir.
Done, beta. Fine. Let's go to Kathak, Virendani, Can I go at the next steps?
So these gaps are not at all filling, sir.
Hmm?
Yes. These gaps
Okay, take color from here. More color here. You can take this. Yeah, I just go this. Take more colors this way. Use the big brush. No. Okay, so now the first of all we are going to drawing today, creating this, you know, the first we are going to thus creating animal sketching. Okay, first make a circles. So the basic thing is that
Recording in progress.
hi Priyanshi, good morning. How are you? So make the first the circle. Make a one animals here. Okay. So first do this animals for animals. Okay, and then do this one straight line. Done, beta? Okay, it can put it there, this place. Make it a straight line. After that, this is make it the straight line. First, you make a circle, and then straight line, and here also one oval. This is the basic of. Yes, beta, please, Susha. And it is father come, beta.
Which
Again,
animal
father is
sir?
there. Okay, fine. You can draw. Back side, beta. Yeah, this animal's name. Who's telling this animal's name?
Dog.
What's animal it is?
Dog.
What animal it is?
Dog.
Giraffe. Yes, it is giraffe. Giraffe. Yeah, this is giraffe is correct answer. So make the first basic things. What I did over here. Good morning, sir. Okay, so first after the steps, first steps is very simple. I show once again the step 1 is circle. Step 1 is circle. Step 2 is add this with the circles, add the line 1, 2 and 3. This is step 2. Step 3, you just add the line step by step. If you want to share, see, just see this one. I share you the step by step. Add this horn, eyes. Okay, this is step 3. So 1, 2, 3. Make this fast, okay? Step by steps. Yeah, now I can go ahead to the next steps to show you. Bye, beta. Bye bye. Vivan's mama coming? Okay, fine. You go alone? Okay, that's cool. So I create over here this eyes like this one. Bye beta. Two. This is the two eyes like this. Okay, Amrit not coming.
So how do we do the eye?
Yeah, I show you again. I
This.
fine. This is the eyes is like make a oval. Supposed to make a oval first, and in the oval you make the line like this. First make a oval and then move line like this. After that just join this oval. Okay, just make like this and join this oval. Hi, Amrit not joined today. Yes. Hi Amrit, you not joined class today, beta? Okay, this is fine, fine, fine. Okay, fine. If you are so, this week's engage you next week or next week something. You coming? Yeah, you can spending 1 hour's times easily. Yeah. Today, come, no problems. Okay, beta. You come at 1 o'clock. Okay. Yeah, sketching, yeah, first. Okay, come. Thank you. Come. So make this. See this. I make this nose, mouth, eyes, and horn. But one thing is pending. That is what? That is ear. Ear is pending. This curve line. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
So is this drawing okay?
Yes, drawing is completely okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. All of you after just finished drawing, please show me, and if it need any changes, I share you. I show you, beta. Everybody mind it after finish drawing, show me. Then you are going to the next steps. Okay, without show, I do can't understand that what is the good, what is the bad. So you need to understand this. Okay, so please, before going the next drawing, all of you show your drawing and take approval from me to what is going correct or not. Okay, so thank you. So you can just add something more over here. 1, 2, like this. Add something like this. The box, the circle, the shapes. This is the shape. We can go ahead to create. Okay. So this is giraffe or zebra. What? This is giraffe. Yes. Giraffe. Yes.